Part number 87139-76020. This is how to replace the cabin air filter in the 2025 Toyota Crown Signia. First, you open up the glove compartment. Make sure the car is off. There is an elevated level, which you need to remove. So there are two partitions, one on each side, and you can just pull the tray towards you, and it should come off relatively easily. You can actually do it with one hand. And then there's a panel. There are two clips on the bottom, so you're gonna want to unclip both of those, and the panel drops off. Then you see the filter case. It's this white case. There are two white clips on the right side of the white case. You want to press those in simultaneously, and it should just pop off. Inside is your cabin air filter or your air conditioning filter, and it's in a tray. You don't want to get rid of the tray. It tells you which direction to put up. The cabin air filter fits snugly into the actual tray, so it's clipped in. So on the new one, you can just see it's up. Pull this out. Once you put it back in, you can just slide the cabin air filter back in. Got to push it all the way in just to make sure it's snug. Once you get it all the way in, you can put the white tray back with the clips. Then you put the actual filter cover back, and then you can slide that partition back in. And that's it. I'll leave the links in the description below.